Hey guys, so welcome to our new lecture. Today I learn how create tables and list. So open a new file tut4.html and embed abbreviation so it's open. So first write in title tag table and list. HTML tables allows developers to arrange data into rows and columns. So I write table tag in body. Table tag defines an HTML table. In table tag, we write head and body. So I write T head tag and T body tag. In head tag, I write TR tag. TR tag defines table row, as well as I write TR tag in T body tag. Each table header is defined with TH tag. So I write here TH tag, and each table data is defined with TD tag. So I write here TD tag. So I write content here. I write content here with TR, TD and TH tag. By default, the text in TH tag elements are bold and centered, and text in TB elements are regular and left aligned. The TD elements are the data container of the table. They can contain all sorts of HTML element, text, images, list, other tables, etc. Then how to create list? HTML lists allow web developer to group a set of related items in list. The two types of list, ordered list and unordered list. Unordered list starts with UL tag. Each list item starts with the li tag. The list items will be marked with bullets by default. So I write the content here. Order list starts with UL tag. Each list item starts with li tag. The list marked with numbers by default. Look the web page. This is ordered list and this unordered list. Then see HTML description list. HTML also support description list. A description list is a list of terms with description of each term. DL tag defines a description list and DT tag defines the term name. DD tag describes each term. I write the content here and after that we see the output. So look at the output. This is all about HTML table and list. So I hope you all do the practice on every topic at least one time. Friends, if you not access my playlist, so please access the playlist and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for more videos. I will add all lectures in this playlist. So please access the playlist, bookmark the playlist. So enough for today. We will meet in next lecture with new topic.